Well, this is no longer the ugly side. I still have that shit to replace. There's my welding helmet. Pimping is utterly hard. I painted that. But I got cab corners, rockers done on the driver's side. The nice clean door. So yeah, this took me a few hours this afternoon. And so if the weather would hold out the rest of the time I'm home, I'd get a hell of a lot more done. But tomorrow I got a bunch of shit I gotta do for the house. So. But anyways, I mean, she's not the prettiest. But yeah, that's a hell of a lot better than rust. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you some more. Inside, I am going to, of course you gotta smooth some of that shit out, but I'm using flux core welding wire, which is not ideal. But I'm also going to, because from factory, they're just tack welded and seam sealed, so that's what I'm gonna do on the inside of that. Save me some time fucking around. This ain't a 69 Mustang, for Christ's sakes. So yeah, that's this side. Of course it's gonna get new fenders. I got new fenders for it, but this side won't be quite as bad, I don't think. But in all honesty, I think I'm just gonna replace the same place I did before, but this side has a lot more salvageable metal, so I'm probably gonna come back into here someplace. So yeah, I have some adjusting to do on the door. You have to shut it pretty good. It picks the door up, so I gotta probably drop the latch down or see about shimming the bottom of it out. But that body line don't look bad, and the previous door sagged anyway a little bit. It's not quite lined up, you can see, but yeah, it's a hell of a lot better than what it fucking did.